strand with a DNA sequence that consists of the nucleotides adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. A binds to T and C binds to G. This DNA sequence codes for genes. The initiation of transcription begins when RNA polymerase binds to DNA at the promoter region. Elongation happens when each of the groups of 3 nucleotides, also known as triplets, are transcribed into codon sequences in the messenger RNA in the nucleus, with the uracil replacing the thymine in DNA. Termination occurs when mRNA is cut from DNA template.
Before mRNA can leave the nucleus, it has to be modified. A 5 cap, which is a modified quinine, is added to the 5 end so it later can bind to the ribosome. And a poly-A tail, which is a bunch of adenines, is added to the 3 end so the mRNA can leave the nucleus without being degraded by enzymes in the cytoplasm. If there are introns, they are removed by synapses and spliceosomes, and thus the exons are what leaves the nucleus.
Now it's time for translation to begin. tRNA has a binding site for an amino acid at one end, a site for an anticodon, and a site for RNA to attach. The mRNA attaches to the small ribosomal subunit and begins initiation, causing the large subunit to attach with the P site. The tRNA carries amino acids from the cytoplasm to codons of the mRNA strand at the ribosome's A site. tRNA is used over and over again, with the energy being provided by GTP, a molecule similar to ADP. Elongation continues as each amino acid is connected to the tRNA by an enzyme called aminoacyl tRNA synthetase. There are 20 different amino acids and thus 20 of these enzymes. A codon, AUG, codes for methionine and is the codon that starts the translation. As the anticodon matches with the codon, the corresponding amino acids are put together with peptide bonds by peptidyl transferase in the process of protein synthesis. The tRNA are able to leave through the E site. Termination is complete once it reaches the stop codons A, UAA, UGA, and UAG. The process is stopped and the polypeptide is complete and freed by a release factor.